Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to analyze Marathon Oil. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Marathon Oil has a market cap of $18 billion, current stock price at 27.50, and they operate in the oil, gas and consumable fuels industry. During the last 10 years, if you invested $10,000 2012, you would have basically the same amount 2022, 10 years later. So this wouldn't be a very good investment if you started 10 years ago. And this is with dividends reinvested. Now for some yield data. The annual sales growth the past 5 years at 10.10%, which is great. Same goes for the EPS, very high, 19.8% growth. And the analysts keep expecting tremendous growth at 18.23%. The return on capital is bad though, minus 0.85. But the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is 1.15 years, so that's a check mark. Now for some yield data. The dividend yield is only 1.16%, so that's an X. The buyback yield is 10.65%, so last year they bought back a ton of shares. The payout ratio is low, 8.29%. The growth rate is okay at 7.71%, but they haven't been growing the dividend for any consecutive years, so that's an X. All in all, this makes up for a dividend score at 7 out of 10. Now for the valuation. Here in fast graphs we have Marathon Oil. The orange line is the EPS, the earnings per share, and like most oil companies it goes up and down like crazy together with the oil price. Even more so for Marathon Oil, which is extremely volatile when it comes to their earnings. Same goes with the dividend. It's actually dropped off at 2015 and even more at 2016 where they didn't make any money. After that stable, and then they cut it again, and now recently they are raising it. If we also plot the normal PE, which is 12.81, and the current price, we can see that right now it's only trading at PE at about 7. So there is definitely some upside, and if we project out what analyst expects for late 2024, there might actually be an upside at 34% annually. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where I reviewed a subscriber portfolio. See you soon!